हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ वीर और आप देख रहे हैं ओम एकेडमी, जहाँ हम सीखते हैं इंग्लिश, वो भी हिंदी में। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं कि इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे किया जाता है। यानी कि कॉन्वर्सेशन वो होता है जब दो व्यक्ति या दो से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति एक दूसरे से बातचीत करते हैं। हाँ, उसे ही कॉन्वर्सेशन कहते हैं इंग्लिश में। तो चलिए आज का ये वीडियो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Today is Neeraj's first day of school. He hasn't any friend in this school, but he met to Tanveer, and he is his classmate.
Hi, I am Neeraj.
Hello, I am Tanveer. Nice to meet you.
Where do you live?
I live in Behala at Patakpara. By the way, where do you live?
Tanveer, I live nearby you at Taratalla.
Yes, it is near to my home.
Does your family live in a house or an apartment, Tanveer?
We live in a house in the market side.
Oh, that's great.
Neeraj, what does your father do?
Tanveer, my father is a doctor and he works at the local hospital.
Great.
What does your father do, Tanveer?
Actually, my father works in MNC.
Cool, Tanveer. That is my dream job. Do you know?
How can I know?
Okay.
It's really good, but I want to be a businessman in future.
Not bad, Tanveer. Do you have any siblings and what's their name?
Yes, I do. I have one elder brother and two sisters. And you?
Yes, I do. I have two elder brothers. But Tanveer, are you the oldest among your sisters?
No, I am not. Can I ask you a question to you?
Yes, you can.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 9 p.m. each night.
I have same condition.
Don't worry, dear.